What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Money. I'm back with another daggone video. Oh, that thing was gone. Hey man, I'm back with another daggone video, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single daggone day. Alright man. So look. We at my favorite place, Pro Wash, car wash, hand wash. They getting Black Beauty nice and set. But y'all, today we gonna be doing some cool things, man. I'm about to meet up with a car that's one of my favorite cars, something that you see on Fast and Furious. I'm gonna try to give it some go. We gonna see what's going on. The wind is blowing. I hope it doesn't mess up my video, but we gonna keep on going and we ain't slowing down. All right, but yeah, today we about to go meet up with my boy. Just met him. We've been hitting up on IG for a little bit, so now we about to do a meetup, and yeah, we about to see what's going on, man. Do he want to test Black Beauty? Do he want to test Black Beauty? I don't know. I don't even know it's gonna be that type of video, but we definitely gonna do a review on his car to show you how y'all like it. It's one of my favorite cars, something I would love to bring to the channel. And if anybody, you know, if whatever comes my way and it allows me to do it, trust me, I will be putting that that cash down to go get that thing. But I got my baby Monty with me today. She gonna be hanging with Grizz, so they're gonna get me right. They gotta do my tire shine so I can be looking good next to the car that we about to come to. So surprise. So y'all see us in a few seconds, but it's gonna be probably like an hour away from me. So I'll see y'all in a few. All right, like I said, you guys, let me get in the sun. All right, so like I said, you guys, I'm about to meet up with a guy that has one of my top favorite cars. All right, so I'm gonna just let y'all see it, cause y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see it to see if y'all already know what type of car it is, cause it's my top favorite car. And if you know me and you follow my video, you follow my channel, you know what's my first love, man. You know what my first love is. All right, so here we go. So if you don't know, now you know. This is the Mazda RX-7, and it got some work done to it too. You know, it's a little different. It doesn't actually look like one unless you really know what an RX-7 look like. You know, see, but he did some work to it. So it was black and red. So he got like the nice little kit on it. I'm gonna talk to the guy, my guy Paul over there, man. Shout out to him for coming out here. Let me do a review on his car too. But I'm gonna just do one more. I'm gonna get a full, you know, walk around so y'all can see everything. I'm gonna let y'all see the inside too. Got the brown stuff. Woo, the red interior, man. This thing is nice. So Paul, man, I appreciate you coming out here. I'm gonna say it again, because I really do. But this RX-7 is my dream car, right? And this is something I do want to bring to the channel, like in the future. Probably not right now. I ain't got the finance right now. I have a baby girl that's coming, so I got to take care of her first, and my family. But this is something I definitely want to bring to the channel.
Yeah, family always comes first.
Family always first. So what year is it?
Oh, this is the 94.
Okay, this is the 94. Oh, okay, 94 RX-7. So tell me some things you've done to it.
Something I've done to it. Well, luckily that I was planning to buy a regular RX-7 and then build it to make it look like that since the movie came out. Yeah. But lucky enough, I found one that's already built.
Oh, okay.
In California. And I mean, as you can see, it's already like the Fast and the Furious.
Yeah, that's what. What's the name? Han? Was it Han? Yeah, just like Han. Yeah. But his was on black and orange. Yours, this is red and black. This thing is sick, man. Yeah. Okay.
So this is a California car, and it got a rotary engine in it.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a rotary. None of that LS swap.
Okay, okay.
2JZ. So got none again 2JZ.
Yeah.
One too. But it's a rotary, and it's fully built. Yeah. Everything is completely built. The only thing that I say stock would be the VIN number.
Oh, okay. Man,
but
so
other than that,
heavily modded.
It's completely modded.
Completely modded. Okay. Yeah. And what type of tires you running on here? What's the?
Well, right now I have a Nitto.
You got the Nittos.
Yeah.
Okay. And you got some big boys back here too. You got some 305s back here.
Yeah, but I'm going to change it soon to Triple H or
Triple H. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to go up to 315 instead of 305.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, I mean it's a complete build.
Do you know what type of kit it is?
Yeah, it's
to get it.
it's a wheel side.
Okay, wheel side.
Yeah, if you go on the website Wheel Side Japan and you can look it up and you can find out there. I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what? All right. So you have what type of exhaust you got? I'm a huge fan. I like to be loud and obnoxious sometimes, you know. But
basically, most of these cars is built from HKS.
HKS.
You got HKS electronic.
Right.
HKS blow off valve.
Okay.
HKS downpipe all the way back to the exhaust.
Okay.
Back, and HKS coilover.
Okay.
So mainly it's HKS and some Grady, you know, mixing it a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so the VS, that's part of the kit.
That's wheel side.
The wheel side kit. Okay, and then you got the tinted tail lights and stuff like that. Yeah, I like the rear too. So how did that, like, that's some work, man.
it's all.
That is so cool.
It's the whole car is basically fiberglass.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's like the only thing that's really the real car is from here.
The top.
Right here, the top.
Yeah.
And the door.
Yeah.
But other than that, you can see it's like this. Is
Okay.
This is the original.
Yeah, that's the original,
door.
And then that's like the side. Y'all see it.
So you see how wide that thing is.
Yeah, it gets. Oh wow, you see the tire right there too.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so cool, man. This is my dream car. Hopefully one day I can get it, you know, similar to this. I do love the kit though. The kit really makes it look like off of Fast and Furious. I think it was Tokyo Drift, right?
Yeah.
Is that the one? Yeah. It was Tokyo Drift, the one that I really love. And this is exact. And this is the real carbon fiber down here too.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I know I got fake carbon fiber. I have it's Hydro Dip. It's Hydro Dip, but I like it.
This all come with the kit.
Yeah, this all come with the kit. This is so nice. He not gonna pop the hood, y'all. So he going, I don't know, he ain't gonna tell you that. You probably have to follow him. Hey,
that's gonna be a surprise.
That's gonna be a surprise?
Next year,
okay.
You're gonna come, you know, you're gonna be on the next video.
It's gonna be, all right, it's gonna be on the next video, y'all. And you give him a follow. JPM_ghost. All right, give him a follow, man. Give my boy Paul a follow, man. Hit him up. Yeah, because he has an amazing build. This is for all my Mazda lovers, even my Hemi lovers too, man. If you love cars, you're gonna love this car, man. This is one of the goats. This is one of the granddaddies of the car world, you know. If people that like the Super, they gotta like the RX-7 too. They're like the top granddaddies for me, man. They're like the pioneers to like the JDM world.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you wanna get it started up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it started. Let's get it right. Okay. So we're gonna get a few revs, y'all. I'm gonna stay over here because I don't want that thing to be too crazy. Like I'm behind the pole. Alright, let's see. Got that rotary, y'all. Yeah, I don't want that thing. I don't want that thing to jack me up. So we about to go ahead and take a ride and see what it do. All right, man, so how you get it? It's right here?
Yeah.
All right, I was looking for the... Oh, man, okay.
I hope you can fit, man.
I hope so. I ain't the biggest guy, but we gonna make it work.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my head.
It's the seat. It's the seat.
Oh, it's the seat?
You.
Okay,
Yeah.
can it go back in a little bit? No?
Try it. because of the rose ball.
I tried to get it. Look at my leg.
It's on the side.
It's on the side?
Yeah. See it? Pull it?
I think so.
Yeah, pull it. Yeah.
Okay, go back a little bit.
Yeah.
Woo!
Because of the road bulbs right now, the road cage is.
Good thing my fiance small. I think she can fit back in, but I don't know about me. So let's go, man. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So these are the past. These seats are tight.
It is tight.
These seats are tight, man. Let y'all see everything. See all the gauges. Man, I would love driving in this thing. See all the gauges and stuff. Oh yeah, we really low too. I like cars like this. So I have a Mazda 3 and I needed to get it lowered back again. That was my favorite. It's not a rotary, but you know, I'm a big fan of Mazda. I gotta get the speed too. I gotta get the speed 3. I think it's cool. So you got a nice sound system in the back too, man.
Bit,
okay. Be thumping in here.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite thing about this car? Since you got it, what's your favorite thing?
Favorite thing? I don't know, dude. It's like it's your dream car. I mean, this is the total package.
Total, yeah.
But you know, as a car enthusiast, you never it's never enough.
Yeah.
You always want more.
Exactly.
So that's why I say the hood is not open yet until
it's ready. Yeah. I understand. Ooh. It's smooth.
Yeah.
It's smooth, man.
It's a street car.
Yeah.
I tune it for street.
Okay, okay.
You know, I want to drive it, not, you know, like one of those that is so rough that you can't enjoy it.
Yeah. That's what I was expecting, but it's not like that. I hear that blowout valve. I don't know what's that.
It's jumping. Yes, it is.
That's why I love Mazda. Oh, it's so different. It is so different. The rotary engine. This is a smooth car. Oh my goodness, it's a smooth car. Yeah, you hooked it up, man. Do you know, is it coilovers or?
It's a coilover.
Coilover,
yeah,
okay.
It's an HKS coilover.
HKS, okay. Yeah. I plan on putting BC coilovers on my 300. You think that would be a good fit?
No, they're nice.
They're nice? Okay.
Yeah. Those are on my Supra I'm building right now.
Okay. Oh, okay. Super. So you got two of them, man.
MK4.
That blowout valve though. I'll just keep hearing. So what you do when you let go of the gas or you switch? It blows out. Okay.
Yeah.
Man, I'll be switching gears too. Yeah, this is a monster right here. This is just so much fun, like to drive it.
Yeah, it's because the way I tune it now is conservative.
Okay.
For driving.
Yeah.
I can get, if I go a little more aggressive, I could get another at least 50 more horsepower out of it.
Wow.
But to me, it's like, what's the point? You'll have more power if you can enjoy driving it.
Okay, you're right. So you're definitely right about that.
With this one, I mean, you know, people see you, they want to run you. I run.
He run. Let him know, Paul. Let him know you gonna run if you want to. You gonna have some fun, man.
Yeah.
This thing is amazing. Yeah. Oh, this is too much fun. This is a dream right here for me, man. I really appreciate it. This is a dream for me. Just to sit in the RX-7, you know?
Yeah.
That's the build. Yeah. Got some tail whip right there, man.
You feel that, huh?
Yeah, I felt it. Let you know. Of course he wanted to. Okay.
Oh, really?
Okay. I don't know why. Ready to take off too. It's just like, you know.
It's because remember, rotary is on a high RPM.
High RPM.
When it past 5, they start get violent.
Okay.
Yeah. But
I'm learning, man. I'm learning this.
We don't have enough room to.
Yeah, we don't have enough room. It's quick.
Yeah.
It's fast and quick. So it has both. My car, see, I think my 300 it can get fast, you know. But I think my Mazda is just quick. It's not fast. My Mazda. But his is quick and fast. You know, it's both. This is amazing. Yeah. That blowout valve though. Oh. That's what I like about turbo. I plan on pro charging this,
right?
You know, so it might get like something, but it's not going to be just like, you know, how the turbo blow valve will be. And it's kind of like a, like
yeah.
that. I love that. That is amazing.
Yeah, my Supra I'm building right now will be like,
it's gonna be like that,
louder and
oh wow,
a little more power than this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have a friend Charles. He's building his Mazda Speed 6.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he has a Mazda. He's trying to get like 700 horsepower in it. You know, that's his goal. But in one of my videos, I was in a guy's car. I think he had 600 horsepower in his Speed 6. Yeah,
wow.
it was beautiful, man. All-wheel drive for the takeoff. It was loud too.
For a small car too.
Yeah, for a small car. Yeah.
Light, yeah.
This thing is just one of those cars that if you ride in it, you're gonna be smiling all the time. There's nothing but miles and smiles in this car. Like seriously. That is so cool. We're back, man. Black Beauty right there. Ooh, you can see the reflection. I gotta get a nice and ceramic wax and stuff like that for the summertime. So I can be shining. Yo, so tell me what y'all like about that car review, man. If you don't know, now you know. The RX-7 is my favorite car, my favorite JDM car, man. All right, so Paul had to go, man. Shout out to you, Paul. Hey, if y'all don't hit my boy up, man, go follow him on his IG. You know, his IG will be down here, okay? And make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out these bangers every single daggone day. All right, so y'all keep on coming, man. Share this video, do whatever y'all can, man. Black Beauty's just here. We about to go get something to eat, go get some Panera bread, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.